What's up, guys? We're going to Disneyland again. Yeah. Day 2, second.
Hey, what are you kids doing my camera? Let's go. Let's go. All right, we're off to Disneyland.
Yo, what's up, everybody? We're the RCs, and after years and years of dreaming about getting a van and traveling all over America, we finally did it. We bought a van. So follow us on our journey as we drive state to state, eating the local foods, seeing the best views, and creating memories that'll last a lifetime. This is RC's Adventures.
Once again, we're leaving Anaheim Harbor RV Park, and this park is about a 15 to 20 minute walk to Disneyland. Almost there.
No, you're not good. You didn't go straight in. Sorry. Like this street for you guys. See this one? They're just like having a stall there, and they're just like letting you pick it up.
There's the lines. We made it in the park.
What's your name?
That's Jasmine.
Jasmine? Hey, I know a Princess Jasmine. And you even have a Princess Jasmine braid in your hair. And can you all cross your arms like this? All right over here.
Who met Aladdin? Who met Aladdin?
Did you see Aladdin,
Did you?
Jasmine?
Yeah.
Oh my Jasmine, so Aladdin.
We're about to go into Peter Pan / the boy who never grew up ride.
Wow, that's fun, huh? How was it?
I saw an animatronic malfunctioning, shaking.
What? Yeah.
Me too. I saw. Hey, let's go that one. That one.
Hi, fans.
You kids go first. How was the Snow White ride?
Good.
You like it?
Yeah. Fantastic. But it was so short. Like
So short?
it was like this short.
What ride are we going on?
We're going on the Geppetto's ride and / Pinocchio's ride.
See, that's where I want to go. I'm going to go to Pleasure Island. What happened at the Pinocchio ride?
It got closed.
We're like second in line, and then the Pinocchio ride shut down. Could have been worse. We could have been on the ride, wasting time sitting there, but hey, now we get to eat pizza. What we got there, Joshy? Are you hungry? Mm-hmm. This is what I got at Edelweiss. Dun 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 dun. There we go. Not yet. I'm good.
Let me get it.
Take me to your leader. It's not macaroni.
Macaroon.
Los brazos,
Front row.
los pies o las piernas
All you can. Come in and smoke your heads off. It's open for destruction, and it's all yours.
Thank you.
We're going to Pirates Caribbean.
The line is so long. You thought you're already like there, but still the line is all the way here. That's why I told you last time. Go skip.
Ooh, this line is long.
Stay away. Dad, Mom.
So what? You thought you're already in there? No, another 45 minutes in line.
Persuasion, mateys. Johnny Watts, Captain Jack Sparrow.
How you guys liking Disneyland?
We're liking it.
So how come you guys are still on like iPhones?
Look what I found. Look what I found.
Hey!
Rain just went to go get some corn dogs, and we're just hanging out here at the bench.
Hand dip corn dog from Stage Door Cafe.
Roll, roll, roll your corn dog gently down the stream.
Look at this!
The Irrawaddy. Oh, this is a nice one. Look how short the line is. Oh wait, you never know with these.
Nope. Oh, yeah.
Adam, and I'll be your skipper for the next 5 exciting days and 10 romantic nights. You can tell those zebras are old. They're still in black and white. They always get their point across. But that's not true. Those are old. Go ahead, watch your step. Use those handrails.
Like it?
Yeah, but it's short.
Lumpia, represent.
Pineapple.
Yep.
Mango. Watermelon. We got ice cream.
Good job, kids.
This is called the Enchanted. It'll be giving us a musical for either, I think, 15 minutes and then a show.
Welcome to Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room.
Where are we going?
To Winnie the Pooh.
Hi friends, we're gonna
Honey, honey, honey. Honey.
You're gonna step right into the Okay, go ahead.
Thank you. Ready? How was the Winnie the Pooh ride?
Good, great, but short. It's really short. Yeah, it was really fun. Oh, creepy.
We headed up inside the castle. As you can see, not much.
Hands, arms, feet, and legs on the side. Legs inside.
How was the ride?
And this might be from different worlds. Follow up.
You ready to ride? I'll let you drive, okay?
I'm
You
slow.
gotta drive?
I'm slow.
Whoa! Little ladybug! Me and Jasmine over here, we having a good time driving these cars, right, Jazzy? Woo! Me and Jazzy, we riding. Hey, what happened to that car over there? That must be Mommy over there. Oh, slow Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
Woohoo! Hold on to the wheel, lady. How did you enjoy your race? Good.
Jacob was driving and Joshua was pushing the gas. But then Jacob is not looking at the road. His eyes was wandering.
Is that true? There. Let me see. Show me.
No, camera.
You ready for the parade?
Yes.
Jasmine, you ready for the parade?
Yeah.
Joshy,
Yeah.
ready for the parade?
Yeah. Yeah.
Let me comb your hair.
Come here, come here. We're going to Disneyland. We're going.
Backwards. Get over here.
Again.
How's it backwards? That's lifeless. Is it? It's like inside out.
Long.
That's what they all tell me.
Honey.
Honey.
Honey. Money.
Honey and money.
But look at Jasmine's eyes. Look at it. She looks sleepy. Look at her eyes. Look at Jasmine's eyes. She looks sleepy. Look at. See?
What's it? Huh? Can you take a picture?
Look at.
Can you picture quick?